Hello and welcome to this course. My name is Taylor Sims. I'm glad to be with you. We're going to be focusing on playing guitar and singing at the same time. When I first started playing guitar, I wanted to sing and play guitar. I wanted to be able to accompany myself. And singing and playing was really hard for me in the very beginning. It was a large obstacle, and I had a lot of trouble getting over that. I eventually did. But what we're going to go over in this course is the fundamentals of playing and singing guitar together. In this course, we're going to focus on automation. We're going to focus on making things automatic, becoming a more automatic guitar player. We're going to focus on finding specific songs that suit you and will help you play and sing together. We're going to focus on rhythmic ideas, understanding time signatures and counting. We're going to look at matching pitch and starting to find our own voice, our own singing voice. Then we're going to start putting it all together. We're going to find ways to put all these things together so that you can start singing and playing your first song. So some things that you're going to need to know before you jump into this course is a basic knowledge of chords, because we're going to get into different keys, different chords inside those keys, and I also want you to have a basic knowledge of how to sing. I hope that you have sung some in the past, that you're not starting brand new, but it's okay if you are, but that'll help you a lot in this course if you have some basic chords and some basic singing down. So when this course is finished, when you've completed this course, you should be able to play and sing a song from start to finish on guitar and have everything that you need to complete that and start playing for your friends and your family and start making your own music. I had a great time putting this course together. I hope you will really enjoy it, and I'll see you in the first lesson.